Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to enable camera access for Snapchat. So let's start. First, open your Snapchat app. When you start the app, you'll see that your camera will open. If your camera is disabled, you'll see a message here. This is a very common problem relating to the app permissions. So to enable your camera, close the app and go to Settings. Scroll down, tap on Apps. You will find all the apps installed on your phone here. Now search for Snapchat. Scroll down and go to Permissions. If your camera is disabled for Snapchat, then you'll see your camera under the Denied section. Now to enable your camera for Snapchat, tap Camera. Now tap Allow to enable your camera for Snapchat. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.